Welcome to Tech Dream Gear, where innovation meets everyday life. Today, we're exploring a groundbreaking advancement in the world of agriculture: smart farm management systems, revolutionizing agriculture. Join us as we uncover how these innovative technologies are reshaping the farming industry, boosting efficiency, and ensuring sustainability for future generations. The evolution of agriculture. Agriculture has come a long way from manual plows to mechanized farming. However, the challenges of feeding a growing population and adapting to climate change demand even more innovative solutions. Smart farm management systems represent the next leap, combining advanced technology with practical farming practices to revolutionize the industry. Why smart farming matters. 1. Global food demand. Meeting the needs of a growing population. 2. Resource optimization. Reducing waste and maximizing efficiency. 3. Climate adaptability. Helping farmers cope with unpredictable weather patterns. What are smart farm management systems? Smart farm management systems integrate technologies like IoT, AI, and data analytics to provide real-time insights and automate various farming processes. These systems help farmers make informed decisions, improve productivity, and reduce environmental impact. Key features: IoT sensors. Monitor soil, weather, and crop conditions in real time. AI analytics analyze data to predict trends and optimize practices. Automation. Handle irrigation, planting, and harvesting with minimal manual intervention. Cloud integration. Store and access data anytime, anywhere. Components of smart farm management systems. 1. Soil monitoring. Track moisture, pH levels, and nutrient content to ensure optimal growing conditions. 2. Weather stations. Collect real-time weather data to predict and prepare for climatic changes. 3. Precision irrigation. Deliver water efficiently based on crop needs, reducing waste. 4. Autonomous machinery. Robots and drones for planting, weeding, and harvesting. 5. Crop health monitoring. Detect diseases and pests early through sensor data and imaging technologies. How smart farm management systems work. These systems use interconnected devices and platforms to collect, analyze, and act on data. Here's how. 1. Data collection. IoT sensors gather data from the field. 2. Data transmission. Information is sent to a cloud platform for processing. 3. Analysis. AI algorithms interpret the data, identifying patterns and trends. 4. Actionable insights. Farmers receive recommendations or automated actions are triggered. Benefits of smart farm management systems. 1. Increased productivity. Optimize crop yields through precise monitoring and adjustments. 2. Resource efficiency. Save water, fertilizer, and energy by targeting their use effectively. 3. Cost savings. Reduce input costs and improve operational efficiency. 4. Environmental sustainability. Minimize the ecological footprint of farming practices. 5. Risk mitigation. Address potential problems like pests or nutrient deficiencies before they escalate. Applications in modern agriculture. 1. Crop farming. Use data-driven insights to improve planting schedules, irrigation, and pest control. 2. Livestock management. Monitor animal health, optimize feeding schedules, and manage breeding programs. 3. Greenhouse automation. Control temperature, humidity, and lighting for optimal growth conditions. 4. Urban agriculture. Enable vertical farming and hydroponics with smart systems. Challenges and solutions. 1. high initial costs. While the investment is significant, long-term savings and productivity gains justify the expense. Subsidies and grants can help reduce financial barriers. 2. Technical expertise. Training programs and user-friendly interfaces make adoption easier for farmers. 3. Data security. Robust cybersecurity measures are essential to protect sensitive information. 4. Connectivity issues. Reliable internet access is crucial, especially in remote areas. Offline-capable systems can address this challenge. Future trends in smart farm management. 1. AI-driven decision-making. Advanced algorithms will provide even more precise recommendations. 2. Renewable energy integration. Solar-powered devices will make smart farming more sustainable. 3. Blockchain technology. Enhance traceability and transparency in food production. 4. Advanced robotics. Next-generation machines will handle complex tasks with minimal supervision. 5. Global data sharing. Farmers worldwide will collaborate through shared platforms, improving practices and outcomes globally. How to implement smart farm management systems. Step 1. Identify needs. Determine which aspects of your farming operations can benefit most from automation and data analysis. Step 2. Research technologies. Explore available systems and select those that fit your goals and budget. Step 3. Start small. Begin with a pilot project to test the technology before scaling up. Step 4. Monitor and optimize. Use collected data to refine your practices and maximize benefits. Step 5. Expand gradually. Add more features and components as you become familiar with the system. Building a sustainable future. Smart farm management systems are paving the way for a more sustainable and efficient agricultural industry. By adopting these technologies, farmers can address global challenges like food security and environmental preservation while ensuring economic growth. Embrace the smart farming revolution. Smart farm management systems are not just tools. They're a revolution in agriculture. By leveraging these innovations, farmers can achieve unprecedented levels of efficiency, productivity, and sustainability. Thank you for joining us on Tech Dream Gear. If you found this episode insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on technologies transforming our world. Let's dream big and farm smarter together.